The mechanics.
You think it's a game? You think it's a game? It doesn't even matter. Y'all gon' make me lose my mind. Hey, yo, what's my name? Y'all gon' make me go all out. DMX. Y'all gon' make me act.
Yo, what's up, Mario Builds family? This is your boy Marco, back at it again with another freaking video. Yes sir. So today we're gonna finish up the suspension on the BRZ. We're gonna do the front sway bar with the front end links, and we're also gonna do the camber adjustment plates on the rear to complete the full suspension. Stay tuned to see how it looks. It's gonna look out nice. Alright guys, we got the front sway bar right here, the front end links, and then the camber plates right here. We will be unboxing them once we are there to put them on. Can't wait for this to be done. Sheesh, stay tuned boys. Alright guys, we made it here. The calm before the storm. Just waiting on my buddy. He's gonna come out. We're gonna work on the car in there. Nice little shop he got. But yeah, just waiting for him. This house is pretty cool. He actually has a drag strip right behind. My boy Dylan, hit him up. Good ass mechanic. Really good guy. Now we wait here. Y'all can say hi to Goku right here. Goku the GOAT. But yeah guys, give me some ideas on what y'all want to see next on the car. The full suspension is going to be done now. I don't know if I should go the turbo route or the supercharger route. Please comment on, obviously just comment on this video. Let me know what you guys want to see. I want to do this build and get help from you guys, of course, and get you guys more involved. But yeah, just stay tuned. Give you guys little glimpses of the car while it's being worked on, and then I'll give you an underview of how it looks when it's fully complete and all the parts are installed and when it's on the ground. Thank you very much. Yeah! Alright guys, we're here. Hit my boy up if you need some work done. Dylan's the man, guys. Let's go. Must like that thing on it right there. Yeah, right. I will. One day. Yep. Alright guys, we got the back done. It looks nice. It looks good, bro. It looks nice. Word. Alright guys, we're here just waiting for the car to be done. My boy Dylan getting that working. He has a beautiful shop. The car looking nice, it really is. But yeah, just chillaxing. Wow. Ding, ding, ding. Nice. Sweet. Looking good. That happens all the time, huh? You try to find a tool and it's gone. Looks clean. Woo-hoo. Make sure y'all go subscribe, buddies. Follow me for them budget builds. You already know we are notorious for that. Barrio builds. Alright guys, there it is. Full suspension done. Looking clean. How do you guys like it? Damn.
Bye.